I just completed my FoLix treatment. It was quick, easy, and painless. I can't wait to see the results.
Hey everyone, it's Dr. Alan Bauman from Bauman Medical Hair Transplant and Hair Loss Treatment Center. I want to tell you about FoLix, which is a brand new treatment. It's a laser that stimulates hair regrowth. It's a no downtime procedure. It's done in the office during a lunch break, and there's no recovery whatsoever. So you come in, you get the treatment. The laser actually creates a non-ablative wounding of the skin that you don't see. It's under the skin. It's going to be a heating process that stimulates the follicles to grow a thicker, stronger, healthier hair over time. Requires several different treatments over the course of several months to get the results, but you're going to see everything that you need to know about it if you follow me on these videos today.
My name is Kevin. I'm here today at Bauman Medical, and I'm really excited to see the results of the FoLix laser treatment.
Hi, my name is Candy. I'm here today at Bauman Medical, and I am so excited to try this new FoLix laser treatment.
I'm looking forward to my FoLix treatment and hoping to get great results.
I just completed my FoLix treatment. It was quick, easy, and painless. I can't wait to see the results.
Hi, this is Candy. I just finished my FoLix treatment. It was wonderful. I can't wait to see the results. I'm really excited about it.
I just finished my first FoLix treatment. It was really quick and painless. I'm looking forward to my next session and seeing the results.
So if you want to learn more about FoLix and how it can help you with your thinning hair problem and regrow some thicker, stronger, healthier hair, we're here to help. Click the links below. We'll get you some more information.